Red Devils about one in search of that three-peat. Took care of business at Montgomery County, 42-28 Friday night down at Warren P. Sewell Field. Charles Maxwell about quarterback led a stout rushing attack, 322 yards from out on the night. Overall, Maxwell was for 12 times, 175 yards and 4 touchdowns. Give the Red Devil victory bout. Now 12-2 for the year. Finishes up with the County Championship game Monday, December the 16th at 4 p.m. They celebrate a title in Athens, Georgia, wins the SEC Championship in overtime for the second straight week. They get a W this time in only one overtime period. Dogs on Trevor npcs touchdown run in OPB, Texas, 22-19. Second time they beat the Longhorns this season. First time they beat Texas twice in the same year since Texas A&M did it back in 1909. Dogs SEC champs in the format of the championship game for the fifth time since the SEC went to it. They are the number 2 overall national seed college football playoffs. Georgia will face the winner of Notre Dame, Indiana, first-round playoff game in the Sugar Bowl in New Orleans on January the 1st. By the way, the 12 seeds in college football, you got Oregon, Georgia, Boise State, Arizona, the top 4 seeds to get buys. And it's Texas, the number 5 seed, Penn State 6, Notre Dame 7, Ohio State was 8, Tennessee the 9 seed, Indiana 10, SMU gets in, Alabama not in the playoffs, SMU the 11th seed, and Clemson the 12th seed. Congratulations to West Georgia, the best basketball team source there. Division 1 win on Saturday. They beat Tennessee Tech 78-73, led by 17 at the half. Tech came climbing back the second half. Actually got back with 28 seconds. West Georgia hits free throws to win it. They get their first Division 1 basketball victory.
Shut it, Kyle.
The Wolves of the Bay Devil Group, Atlantic Sports. I'm Mike Harris.
Thanks, Mike. 737. And it's forecast brought to you by Jones Wind Funeral Home. A family serving families since 1950. And Scott McBrayer with Jones Wind Funeral and Cremation Services.
For over 70 years, our family has been a part of this amazing community. Every day we work with families who share with us their memories.
Our funeral home family is deeply rooted with love, trust, knowledge, and experience. When you face the death of someone you know, we were extending old sadness. There's no reason to fear the wind of the storm.
Trusted name and family that has been here since 1950. We are Jones Wind Funeral Homes and Crematory.
Take the rain gear with you as you head out this morning because we have a soggy couple of days ahead. Here's your forecast. Today, periods of rain, highs around 60. Tonight, showers continue, lows in the mid